Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to deactivate Messenger account in 2023. So without further ado, let's jump into it. You have to know first and foremost that your account on Messenger is directly linked to Facebook. So in order to deactivate or delete your account on Messenger, you have to go to the Facebook, your main account, and go to the menu right here, and you will gonna click on the top right, the gear button, and you're gonna click on see more in account center. After we arrive to the account center right here, and you're gonna see the the account, the personal details. So we're gonna go to the personal details right here. You're gonna see the contact info, birthday, the identity confirmation, and account ownership and control. So we're gonna proceed right here, and it says right here memorialization, decide what happens to your main Facebook profile after you pass away, or deactivation or deletion. So in our case, we want to deactivate our account, so we're gonna proceed on deactivate, and we're gonna choose if you have more than one account linked, whether it was linked to Instagram or it was a main account on Facebook. So in our case, we're gonna choose the first one, which is our account. And here, if you want to deactivate your account for a while or temporary, you will be deactivated, but the photos will be removed from most things that you've shared. You'll be able to continue using Messenger. So if you want to do that, just continue right here, and after we proceed, we're gonna continue, and we're gonna enter our password. So after we enter our password, we're gonna proceed. So it says right here, name your purpose in general. This is temporary, I will be back, I spent too much time on Facebook and all that. So I'm gonna just choose the first option, and I'm gonna continue right here. It says right here, taking a break and automatically reactivate my account in, if you wanted to, 7 days, or don't reactivate automatically, and if you wanted to 1 day, 2 days, in that order, you can choose your days. And after that, you're gonna continue, and basically you're gonna be signed out and deactivate, or you'll be signed out from Facebook. So basically that wraps it up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow it, hit the thumbs up, last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.